know I have to be contrary to tradition.
Unorthodox is what they call it. Hey y'all, welcome to another day on the bus with a brand new life, y'all. Y'all, as y'all saw in the last video, the hubby was making his cabinets. Well, today, y'all, guess what he's doing? I'll let him tell y'all.
Well, this is the bottom cabinets, and this is the outside panel. So what I'm doing is framing and building face plates for how I want it to be. So this here, I have to mix up I got to play mad scientist and mix up a concoction to put the colors on here that I want on here, and sand it just a little bit, and then I'll come back and attach this to this, and that'll be the outside edge of the cabinet that everybody will see. And then I have to attach, come right on this side, I have to attach, get my face plate going the way that I want it to be. So you're looking at the bases of our cabinet. Looking at the bases of our cabinet here.
So y'all, he got some are these furring strips?
Yeah.
So he's using furring strips to make his face plates with. So y'all stay tuned for color and all of that. So he used his miter saw, and he had these he got these these boards here, 1x. Are these 1x, baby?
They 1 by 2.5.
1 by 2.5. But these long strips that he's making his face plates with. So y'all stay tuned. So this is the first face plate. This is the first one you've made, right? And we'll bring y'all along with us when he start making more. All right, y'all. Until the next clip. So y'all, this is he's putting a face plate on the outer lower cabinetry, or framing it. Got his clips. So yeah, that's the final results of the framing of our cabinetry down below. yeah, what he just did with those uh, little mini boards just right there is he made slots in them for his face plate um, to go on a certain cabinetry, on a certain cabinet door. I think he said the back, I'm not sure. But anyway, the face plate is the one in the front. But he told me that that's what those sticks were for. Those boards were for. Okay, so now he's staining the pieces for the face plate. Alright, y'all. Until the next clip. Okay, y'all. So, the cabinet that the hubby was talking about at the end piece is right here. This was the missing cabinet that he needed to fix at the end that was right there. So he got it here, and that's what he made just a minute ago. With the and framed out. So that's the end piece that he was talking about right here. So you got all of this cabinetry here, and then you got that, and then he's making face plates to go on the cabinets, the cabinetry, lower and upper. So I'll show y'all some pictures at the end where he was talking about that was the end piece. All right, until the next clip. That's what he's doing. He's cutting out all of his wood pieces right now. I thought you brought that big piece of wood out. Yeah, he's cutting out all of his pieces of wood right now. So I think he's just gonna use these ones right here. But tell him what you're doing today.
Cutting out face frames. Yeah, that's all I'm doing. I'm just getting ready to frame out the cabinets in preparation of building my doors and everything. So what I'm doing now is I'm gonna do something that you don't really see a lot of. This is going under the cabinet. This will be under the cabinet to frame that bottom section out, the upper cabinets, to frame that that bottom section out. Give it a little accent. You know, I have to be contrary to tradition.
Unorthodox is what they call it.
So,
so he has his router out, y'all. He planning on doing some stuff here. Yeah, he has his router out. He's already done the outer cabinet. You'll see some of that off in this video. That's the lower cabinetry part of it. right, y'all. Until the next clip. So yeah, so we did purchase this wood from one of the Home Depot or Lowe's. However, we tried to get the uh, ugliest wood or the most imperfect wood that we could find sometimes. It kind of make a perfect project. Imperfect make a perfect project. So that's what we did here.
What I'm doing is marking this out because of the way I made the cabinets. The way I made the cabinets, and I placed them like an inch apart, and this is going to be to cover that 1 inch space. So what I'm doing is I'm putting the bottom frame around the bottom of the upper cabinets first. So I'm measuring this out to get my center mark, and that way I'll be able to line this up and it'll fall directly in the middle of each cabinet and come over and cover the areas that I want covered. I'm gonna go test it, see where it has it.
So yeah, this where this goes. This just screws.
Huh?
This screws. That's where it goes. So y'all, this is under the upper cabinet.
That'll work.
That'll work?
That'll work.
Okay. You didn't want to add this part to it?
No.
So y'all, this is the cabinet for our microwave here. So, see that drone action? See that drone action? Oh, it's not action. It's just sitting. See that drone sitting? See that drone sitting? But anyway, y'all, this
Two of
this is the microwave. So he didn't want to include that in the underplate for.
That has to be cut out once you set the microwave.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, all right. Until the next clip. Okay, y'all. Now he's making the face frame for the front part of our upper cabinetry, of our upper cabinets. He's done Kreg jigged them. Pocket hole. Put his pocket holes in. Oh, y'all. This is the front facing frame. Y'all get to see what it's gonna look like before it's colored. All right, y'all. Till the next clip. Okay, y'all. This is the front frame for our cabinets. Ooh, don't that look good? Oh, suck it now. Oh, suck it. But yeah. So y'all see how he made them? Just measured it out.
And I had to put a board here, bring that out just a half an inch, and it's going to be raised that way whatever we have inside of here won't come out.
Won't come out. Just putting a lip on it.
Yeah.
So
yes, sir.
He has to do a little adjusting, but this is it. This is it, child. And like I said, he'll do the microwave cabinet later.
Yeah, once we get the microwave.
Yeah. But y'all, doesn't it look good? Look good. Okay. All right, y'all. Y'all don't forget to like, comment, and share us out, y'all. Hit that subscribe button, okay? And comment down below because we appreciate those, okay? Turn that subscribe button from red to gray, okay? We on the road to 1K. Hon, anything you gotta say?
I'm trying to get there.
All right, y'all. So, until the next video, bye-bye.